Savannah. Savannah. Is she? Okay.
Oh, sheesh, that hurt.
There's a bunny.
Hey, buddy.
I'm gonna. You tell Mommy it's okay.
Tell her what their names are, Piper.
I was looking under the Mommy.
What's under the mommy?
Just dirt.
Oh, just dirt. What about the other one?
Just dirt.
Just some dirt. What's their names?
This one's name is Sarah, and this one's name is Grace Starlet.
What?
What's the other?
Grace Starlet.
Okay.
What? Say it again.
Sarah. And what's that one's name?
Grace Starlet.
Lady Starlet.
Grace Starlet.
I don't know.
Remember these names?
What are those names?
Bunny Clover
Bunny Clover
and Bear Clover.
and Bear Clover. Okay. What's the other one's name?
That's their dad. That's
Watch
their
out.
dad.
What's the other one's name?
His name is Clover Andy.
Clover what?
Andy.
Andy.
Clover Andy.
Yeah, and that's her mommy.
Oh, that's her mommy. Savannah, what do you got? Savannah. What's that? Wow. What's that? Did she fall down? Savannah. What is that, Savannah? Savannah. Savannah. There we go, standing up like a big girl.
By herself. I haven't
By
seen her do that.
herself. Savannah,
big.
look how big. See, I just crossed. I won't be long. Savannah. Savannah, come here. Come here. Say, well, I'm coming this way. I'm doing the elephant walk.